In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access email on the Namecheap. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. It could be possibly working for you. Once you do that, of course, once you open your browser, simply you'll have to go here to this URL section and type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll have to go and create your account. And if you have an account, just go and log in into it. Of course, you can log in from the sign in option and you can create your account from sign up. So choose whatever of those, and once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on something like this. As we said, we would like to access our email on Namecheap. So if we want to do that, we can simply go into this account option and make sure to go into your profile right here. Of course, you can go through this or you can go through this left panel right here. Make sure to go into the settings icon or profile section. Once you click on it, that will take you actually into your personal info. So make sure to go into this primary email, and you can even edit it if you want by clicking at the edit button. Make sure to enter your new email and the Namecheap password, so you can change the email. Without the password, make sure you'll not be able to change the email. And once you enter your new email, you'll have to go into your email and verify by the link that you are going to send you to make sure that is you that is changing the email. Of course, they're going to send you an email to the old email and to the new email to verify it. Click at change email once you're done and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.